Yow, 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 yow.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
We got a big one on the ice tonight, and along with Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cebulski, ready to call all the action. Ray, how special is it to don the colors of your country?
I got to do it 4 times, James. Some of the most proud moments of my career.
Opening face-off is set to go. Referee Shilevek is ready to drop the puck. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. This has been one we've been waiting for a while, and it's time to finally see what the payoff is all about. And he can't get it off. Canada's gained possession, and that's broken up. Team Czech Republic's got the puck against the boards. Quick feed to Voracek. Moves it up. Puts him hard into the wall. Wrister. Oh, and he misses an opportunity there.
Looking to be too perfect. Get it on the net. You've got a better chance to squeak one through the goaltender than if you miss it outside the net.
Strong feed from along the boards. Slides it back to the blue line.
I love the way they've played this shift. They've protected the puck well, but now they've got it and they can run around the zone. The defenders can't chase them. They're too tired.
Right to the middle, and he can't find his man. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. And a poke check knocks the puck away. Gets it back. Drives into the front of the net. And that's taken by the defense. Verana's moving it ahead. Czech Republic's on the attack. Move to the middle. And now he angles it across to Ronik. Look out, what a hit. You gotta keep your head up out there. Great hustle to come up with the puck. Tries to make a move and can't hang on to the puck. Here's a chance. Sends it across. Team Czech Republic's looking to break out of their own end. Here's a short pass to Kempny. Hurdles got it along the wing. Quick pass to Giroux. Moves it on over to Tavares. Team Canada's got it along the wall. Now a quick pass to Shabbat. Lugs the puck into the offensive zone corner. Moves it to Shabbat. Knocked away. Takes the feed. And it's a quick pass to Weber. Czech Republic's got a hold of it against the wall. Moves the puck. Blocked in traffic. Moves the puck up to Ben. And he loses possession of the puck after trying to make one too many moves.
You get in so close, you work so hard to get the chance. He tried one too many moves, and the puck's gone.
Here's a shot, and a beautiful stop by the glove. Zaka's picking up steam. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. And he makes the stop with the glove. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Comes up with the stop. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Slides the puck across to Getzlaf. Moves it quickly over to Pietrangelo. Here's a chance on the doorstep. Turns it away. Jostling for the puck, and he loses control. Hangs onto the puck. Sends it across the ice. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Canada's got the puck along the boards. Quick feed to Seguin. Nice pass. Shot denied by the goaltender.
Subban's able to get everything behind this hit. He really lays one on here.
Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Gets in front of it. Team Czech Republic's got a hold of it along the wall. Over the line they come. What a steal in his own end. Tries to get the puck to Ben. Look out, a 2-on-1. Wrist shot from the slot. Gets a piece of it with the blocker. And that one's broken up. Here's a short pass to Palat. With possession along the wall. Back at the point, they set it up. Takes the feed. And the shot dies in the traffic jam. And he slides it quickly to Gudas. Moves the puck along the half wall. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Marchand swooping in on the attack. Czech Republic's got the puck. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Great defensive play to come up with the puck. They've got numbers. Here's the pass. And can't redirect it into the net.
Hit the net. No chance to score if you don't get the puck on target.
Along the half wall with the puck. Rocked on the play. Oh, just a textbook hit. Slides the puck down low. Quick pass to Saka. Nearing the point. Takes a shot. Good positioning there to knock it away with the glove.
Canada's been really aggressive on the road here. They've got on the body early. They've carried the play. The game just needs a goal.
Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. And the defenders come up with the puck. Team Czech Republic's got the puck here in the open ice. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Pasternak. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. McKinnon's gaining momentum. Here's an odd man rush. Denies him on the play. Czech Republic's got the puck along the wall. Scores! Quick blast! No chance!
You make a mistake that big, there's only one place you're going to find the puck. Yeah, that's in your net. That's where the puck is.
Team Canada's offense has given them a one-goal lead here, but it could easily be more, Ray.
Yeah, they've got the majority of shots and good chances in this first period. See what they do in the last half of it.
Quick pass to Crosby. Here they come on the attack. Moves it to Burns. Doughty's going to play it against the half wall. Move to the middle. Backhander. Stopped by the goaltender.
Dead center. Excellent save.
Canada's got control of it now here in the offensive end. One-time shot. That's wide of the net. Puck exits the zone. Picked up along the boards by Burns. Passes over to Hall. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Here he is in front. Big save.
This is a quality chance that the goaltender turns aside right from the slot.
More than half the period has expired. We got a 1-0 game to this point. Off the draw, and a nice job locking up his opponent. Stick save by the goalie. Voracek's got it against the boards. Reads it perfectly, breaking up the play.
He turns that puck over, but I get it. He's trying to make something happen while his team is behind.
Team Czech Republic's gained possession along the boards. A chance on goal. Comes up with the stop. Knocked away. Scooped up along the wall by Šimik. Handles the puck at the point. Into the corner now. Officials blowing the play dead. We've got a penalty on the way here. Boarding is the call. These are always ones that look a little dangerous in my eyes here, Ray.
I don't know why the player can't quite stop. When you see the player's numbers right in front of you, don't hit them.
Czech Republic sending their power play unit out for the first time tonight.
Down one, a chance to tie on the power play. What a great chance for them here. But you can't stress. You have to be confident and aggressive, but don't force anything.
Holtby's going to opt for the whistle and give everybody a chance to breathe.
Sometimes you get running around as the shift gets long. This helps.
Team Canada's capitalized on their offensive abilities here in this first period. Off the draw, and he ties up his opponent. Gets it out of his own end. And leaves the comfort of his crease to play the puck. And now he moves it quickly to Saka. Moves it around along the half wall. Slides the puck near the front of the net. And that one's stopped. Great defensive stick work on the play. And manages to clear the zone. And the goalie comes out to play the puck. Retrieves the puck, trying to kickstart this power play. Carries it in. Centering pass. Moves it quickly over to Hurdle. Oh, what a missed chance that was.
Yeah, he's got to make a better play there. He's done everything right. Now you just got to get the puck on the tape.
Tries to clear. They clear the zone after a ton of pressure.
It didn't look like the puck was ever going to get over the blue line. Finally, they just pitch it out.
Receives the pass. They go over on the power play and still trail by a goal.
No, not much they're going to be able to do about that. The power play failed. Now they go back to even strength.
Shot gets tipped. Nice stick save by the goaltender, who got a piece of that one to swat it away with the twig.
Oh, sometimes you think you got lots of room to make a move. Not there. He got closed down and hammered. What a hit.
Here in the later stages of this period, we've got a 1-0 hockey game thus far. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Sends the pass over. Getzlaf's got it into offensive territory. On the attack along the boards. Quick feed to McKinnon. Picks off the feed. Slides the puck over. Here's a short pass to Faxa. Makes the save. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Long jam in front, that's broken up. Sagan's got it on the offensive end. Here's an opportunity, and he misses.
That's a good scoring opportunity. He doesn't capitalize on a grade A chance.
Takes a shot, stopped by the goaltender. Again, the denial by the goaltender.
Really sharp, never loses sight of the puck to make the second save.
Here's a backhand, gets a stick on it to make the save. Gets the puck over to Faxa. Sends a pass over. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Ahead of steam now towards the front. Oh, denies him with the save. I think he got the blocker on it. And the lane's clogged up blocking that. Grabs the puck in the corner. Quick snap, comes up with the stop. I think he got a blocker on that one. Big stop by the keeper.
After the first stop, he's in good position to make a second.
And he slides it quickly to Saka. Comes up with the stick save.
Nice move by the goalie to get out close to the shooter.
And he regains control of the puck. Marchand's the victim of a hook penalty coming up. Let's see what the officials say. Kasha's getting 2 for hooking.
It doesn't take very long to get on the wrong side of the play. You're a step behind. You've got to slow that guy down. You can't catch him. Maybe you can get away with a hook. Not here.
Just tried to play catch-up and got burned. Canada's man advantage unit will take to the ice for the first time tonight.
Key for any team on the power play is to get control of the puck first. So we'll look at the face-off, and this power play at the very least has to generate a little momentum. It's their first crack at it tonight.
Gets it out of his own end. Feeds the puck up to Giroux. Takes a shot. Oh, he gets a blocker on it. What a reaction. Another stop by the goaltender. Here in the late goings of the period, 1-0 the score. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. And nearing the final 60 seconds of this opening stanza. Pushes it across to Doughty. Team Czech Republic's got control of the puck. Oh, they telegraphed the pass, and he picks it off.
Coaches always say, James, don't try to make something out of nothing. In the lead, you've got to make the safe play.
Slides it across. Quick shot. Locks it down in front.
Team Canada's done everything they've wanted to do once the puck hit the ice. They've been the more physical team, they've got the lead in the game, and they're controlling how this game is played.
Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Slides the puck down low. Sends it down low. Quick pass to Stamkos. Snaps it on net. He scores! How's that to close things out?
Wow, what a great time for a goal. I mean, you're happy when you score any time, but so late in the period now you can carry momentum over the intermission. The power play cashes in. They move the puck around and get the puck right into the middle of the slot. He makes no mistake from there.
Canada goal. Scored on the power play by number
20 minutes is complete as the horn sounds, concluding period number 1. The rink fairly tilted to one side after the first 20. They lead it 2-0.
Fans, be sure to get your season tickets now at this year's playoff locations and prices. See the regular season ticket price for rounds 1 through 3. That offer is available now.
Still lots of hockey still to come, so get ready here on EA Sports.
Stop by section 144 on the top.
Welcome back, everyone. He's Ray. I'm James. Second period set to go. Here we go. Middle frame now underway as the puck drops. One period already in the books. Ray, how have you seen this thing?
Holtby's had lots of pad taps in that first period, James. I don't know what the score might look like if he wasn't so good.
Lots of time left in this period. Team Canada's got some breathing room as they lead it 2-0. Canada's won the faceoff. Big time stop with the glove. Crosby's won the faceoff deep inside the offensive zone and makes the save. Handles the puck. Moves it to Pasternak. Puts the puck on net. Blocker save. And he's showing up big time tonight. Oh, great read on the play. Czech Republic's got it in their own zone. Team Czech Republic's in now. Lifts the stick and takes the puck. Beat the goaltender, but couldn't beat the post.
Team Czech Republic's only looking for something to go right. Get themselves back in this contest. But this hits the goalpost, and the score remains unchanged.
Takes the pass. Verana's got it in the offensive zone. Puck grab by Krejci. Moves it quickly over to Tavares. Directed over to Giroux. Lets it go, and that's blocked away. Centering pass. Gives them nothing in front.
Flashes the leather right in the slot on a difficult chance. Now that looks good. It was a good save, and he made it look even better.
McDavid's won the draw. Quick feed to Giroux. Takes the feed. McDavid's got it in the corner. Now a quick pass to Giroux. And that goes off a player in front. Carries it across the line. And it's a quick pass to Hurdle. Team Canada's got control. It's in! He scores!
That's a pretty big blunder in the defensive zone. It cost them a goal there.
Czech Republic's got new life here in this second period, Ray.
It's amazing what a goal does. The energy on the bench changes. Guys can't wait to get on for their next shift.
And he'll take a moment to regroup back at center. Marchand's got the puck, and he slides it quickly to Shabbat. Takes it across the blue line. Lets one go. Misses a golden opportunity there. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. They've got the defense outnumbered. And he comes up with it. Save made by the goalie.
Quick work. He makes 1 and 2 saves in a row.
Penalty coming up as the whistle stops the play. Wasn't quite sure what the call is, but looks like interference here.
Yeah, it's a good hit. Unfortunately, the other guy doesn't have the puck. It's a penalty.
Another power play opportunity coming up here as they set up at the faceoff.
Well, they've gotten themselves to within one. Now they've got a power play opportunity to try and even the score. The best power plays always work when the feet and the puck are moving at the same time.
Saka's carrying it ahead. With possession along the wall. Unleashes a cannon. He scores! Wait a second.
Hang on here, James. The referee waved this off right away. They're going to have to take another look at this, James. A little bit of chaos, a little bit of confusion, but the call on the ice is no goal.
I'm still confused on this one.
You always are.
Story of my life.
Oh, the building is pumped. They thought this goal was not going to count, but after video review, they're going to put it on the board.
Team Czech Republic's to even things up here to start this second period.
Nobody seems to be able to get the upper hand here. I've been really impressed with how well played this has been.
Here's a short pass to Crosby. Puts it on net. Big time save with the blocker. And now he moves it quickly to Shabbat. Lets it go. And he stands tall in goal. Moves the puck. Tries to get it over to Palat. Here's a shot, and there's the save. James Cebulski, Ray Ferraro with you here in the early going of this period. It's all tied up. Good job tangling up his opponent here. Getzlaf's got the puck along the wing. Nice feed from the boards. McKinnon's got it along the wing. Good use of the body on the play. Quick pass to Subban. Nice pass. Takes the feed. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. There's a nasty slash that'll get some attention.
Yeah, it should. It looked like he's chopping wood. Petrangelo's looking around for somebody to fight. He's going to have to go and fill the dance card somewhere else.
Back to the face-off circle. They'll send the man advantage unit out again.
Hey, another power play for them. They've been successful tonight. I don't think they changed the script much here.
Taken by Ronick, and he makes the save. Shabbat's got it along the boards. Throws it in. Czech Republic's got a hold of it against the wall. Voracek's got it across the line. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Lets it go. Big chest save as he gobbled that one up with the trapper. Still lots of time left here in this frame. We got a tie game. The frozen biscuits dropped and we are back underway here. To his teammate. Here's a shot. Gobbles the puck up there with the chest. And we're going to get a stoppage here as the referee blows the play dead. Krejci's won the draw here in the offensive zone. Grabs the puck and looks to make something happen. And that shot dies in traffic. Great reflexes, another save.
Yeah, he has pretty good positioning here, James. He makes the 2 stops back-to-back.
And manages to clear the zone. And now he moves it to Burns. Burns will play it to the corner. Centering pass. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Team Czech Republic's got the puck along the boards. Impressive effort by the penalty killers as we are back to even strength and we are still tied. Penalty coming up here as the play is stopped. He's going off for tripping, Ray.
Reaching in for the puck and he gets his stick caught in their feet.
Face off and another opportunity to take a look at the man advantage unit here.
I wouldn't say they have to go right back to the drawing board, but whatever's next to the drawing board, they might want to get there. They've had a little success, but it's not looked very good.
Gets it out of his own end. Czech Republic's got a hold of it along the wall. Zaka's lugging the puck. Receives the pass. Heads deep inside the offensive zone. Way too much congestion blocks that. Fires it. Puck picked up by Zaka. Hard blast. That goes off a twig. Moves it to Palat. Takes a shot. Comes up with the stop. Still lots of time left in the period. We are all tied up in this one. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Stopped by the goaltender. Big save by the goaltender once again. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Can't get it to go. There's the whistle as the puck heads out of play. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. And not much on that one. Bergeron's won the faceoff. Stamkos has it along the boards. Dumps it in. Team Czech Republic's got the puck along the wall. Moves it quickly over to Pasternak. Great chance in front, and a stick in the lane ends that threat. Picked up along the wall by Krejci. Denies him in front.
In tight, he had to make an excellent save.
More than half the period has gone by. Hope you're enjoying this one. The next goal could be a big one as we are tied. Crosby's won the draw deep in the defensive zone. Taken along the wall by Hall. Takes it across the blue line. Sends it over. Snaps one on net. Goalie with a stop.
We often talk about a goalie's reflexes. You've got to have quick hands to make a glove stop like that.
There's the whistle from the linesman calling an offside. Puck is dropped and play resumes. Quick feed to Hall. Moves the puck along the half wall. And he's ridden off the puck. Here's a short pass to Crosby. Too much congestion blocks the shot. Offside the call, and we'll have a face-off just outside the blue line. Face off here in the neutral zone, and we are back underway. Grabbed along the boards by Kasha. Kasha's got it in the defensive end. Moves it over to Zaka. Takes a shot. Oh, what a stop. Picking up some steam at center ice. Excellent stick work on the play. Sends the pass over. Lets it go with the stop.
That's going to rattle your molars around there. That is an enormous hit that he took.
Past the midway mark of the frame, James and Ray with you tonight. You can feel the energy in this crowd. It's a tie game. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Knocked away. And now it's grabbed by Palat. Along the half wall with the puck. Maintains control of the puck. Oh, gets a piece of it with the glove. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Quick pass to Seguin. Here's a shot. Nice save by the keeper to trap that puck in his chest. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. And now it's over to Verana. And he slides it quickly to Hurdle. Hurdle's going to play it against the half wall. Manages to hang on. Move to the middle. Point shot. Stops the rocket of a shot. Along the boards, they battle for the puck. And some good footwork to kick it away. Czech Republic's gained possession along the boards. Ben's got the puck in his own zone. Over the line they come. Puck scooped up by Bergeron. Moves it to Gudas. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Now a quick pass to Faxa. And that one's turned away. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Slides the puck over. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Moves it quickly over to Pietrangelo. Big save by the goaltender. Up along the wing. Takes it from the right side. Hammers it from the point. Oh, he stopped that one. That was a fireball. Pass right on the doorstep. Stopped by the goaltender.
Oh, he had to get up tight to the puck. In close. He takes away any room.
Turns it aside with the glove. Just here in the late stages of this frame, it's all tied up. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Locks it down with a stop. I think he got a blocker on that one. And now he tries to get it across to Tavares. Tavares moves the puck to the corner, and that's taken by the defense. Reads it perfectly in the defensive end. Into the corner. Right up front. Canada's looking to break out of their own end. And now he angles it across to McDavid. Tavares plays it against the boards. And it's a quick pass to McDavid. Tosses it to Saka. Tosses it up in the neutral zone. Giroux swooping in on the attack. Sends a pass over. Too much traffic in the lane. Voracek's got it against the boards. Moves it around along the half wall. And the goalie covers up for the whistle. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Blast from the point! Up to the challenge as he gets his pad on it. And another stop!
Had to be sharp. That's a grade A chance.
Getzlaf's taking it from his own end. And he moves it up to McKinnon. Great defensive play to break it up. And he slides it quickly to Simic. Here they come on the attack. Takes that pass back at the point. Handles the puck. Shuts him down.
There's always a next level to making a save. Step 2 is get the puck out of danger. He does a nice job there.
And the middle frame almost done. Obstruction penalty coming up. Looks like a hook here. And here comes the judgment from the official. And he's going to get 2 for hooking on the play, Ray.
He should. I mean, he gets his stick out parallel to the ice. He gets it across the player's midsection, and that's kind of a red flag for that penalty.
Time for the power play unit to get back to work.
This power play isn't going to go in any coaching manuals. Now, they've scored and had a little bit of success, but it's been ugly for large stretches of their previous ones.
For hooking, time of the penalty, 18 minutes.
Stamkos plays it into the offensive zone. Into the corner of the attacking area. Picked up along the boards by Krejci. And he gains the zone here. And makes the save. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. What a save! He'll probably feel that one tomorrow. Good read by the winger as the 2 centers tie up. And manages to clear the zone. There's the end of period number 2. It's still deuces wild here.
Don't forget to check out our top 10 moments in hockey history. You can find it on our website, voted on by you, our fans.
And we'll be right back for what should be a very intriguing third. And we are just moments away from the start of the third period. Team Canada's penalty killers have their work cut out for them here. But a nice start to the period as they win the draw. Puck grabbed by Chabot. Gets it out of his own end. Team Czech Republic's got a hold of it against the wall. Sends it over to Voracek. Gets it to the other point. Right in front! Oh, what a save in front!
Holtby's save right there is an excellent one.
Denies him again!
That's why a goalie can never relax. He makes one stop, now he's got to be sharp to make another. Krejci's on the receiving end of this huge hit. Sometimes you've got nowhere to go.
Lots of time left in this period. We got a tie game. The frozen biscuits dropped and we are back underway here. Quick feed to Burns. Taken by Kempny. Through center along the wing. Tries to dangle and the puck skips away.
There are times you try to do too much. He's got good hands, but maybe a more simple play's the right one there.
On the attack along the boards. Handles it along the blue line. Simple stop by Holtby. Tries to feed it over to Giroux. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Tavares. Takes the pass. Carries it in. From behind the net. Looking to make something happen along the boards. A little bump and grind, but still hangs on to the puck. Back to the blue line. Passes right to the front. From in close. With the stop.
I like how he was able to follow the puck. Good save in close.
Here's a shot. And that's stopped by the goaltender using his head this time.
Now, whatever you got to do, I guess. Man, those guys are lucky the masks are as good as they are now.
Holtby's going to cover it up and get a whistle.
Even with the traffic starting to close in, he had to grab that when he did. I wanted to get another look at this one, James. This looks like it hurts. I'm glad I'm in a suit here.
Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Denied by the goaltender. Off the draw, and a nice job locking up his opponent. Czech Republic's got it in the neutral zone. Takes the feed. Rips it from the blue line. Oh, what a stop! Carries it across the line. And now he moves it quickly to Doughty. And a great save! And now he moves it to Hall. Hall's got it in the offensive zone. Lets it fly, and too much traffic in front blocks that one. Moves the puck. Nice pass. Here's a short pass to Frolik. Here's a shot. Big-time stop there. Hronek's looking to make something happen here in the corner. Quick pass to Doughty. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. With possession along the wall. Lets it go. Denied by the goaltender. Takes the feed. Here they are on the attack. Shot gets in front of it. Plenty of playing time left in this frame. We are all tied up in this one. Off the draw, and he ties up his opponent. Moves it to Getzlaf. Feeds it to McKinnon. There's the whistle. Offside is the call. Puck is dropped, and we are back underway. Receives the pass. Nowhere for that shot to go through. That one's off the blocker. Passes it to Saka. Moves the puck along the half wall. That's just textbook positioning to break up the play. Moves it quickly over to Pietrangelo. Blocker save! Slides the pass over to Palat. And he slides it quickly to Saka. Coughs it up at center. Canada's got the puck along the boards. And now it's over to Palat. Passes it over to Verona. Sends it across. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Levels them with the hit. Team Canada's got a hold of it along the wall. Slides it diagonally to Marchand. And the defenders come up with the puck. One-on-one with the goaltender. What a stop by the goaltender.
He's right in position as he follows the shooter and snuffs that chance away. Wow, did the ice get small for him? There's nowhere to go, and he had to absorb this huge hit.
Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. And now he tries to get it across to Weber. Sends the pass over. Now a quick pass to Bergeron. And now he angles it across to Bergeron. Picks off the pass in the defensive zone. Quick feed to Pasternak. Slides the puck over. Canada's got the puck along the wall. Moves the puck into the attacking area. Here's a short pass to Shabbat with the steal. Krejci swinging the puck through center ice. Krejci's got the puck. Sends a pass over. And it's a quick pass to Kempny. Centering pass in front. Puts it to the front of the net. Oh, great play to use the wall handling the pass. Can't maintain possession after that hit. Team Czech Republic's gained possession. Handles the puck. Voracek's got it along the wing. Quick feed down low. Centering pass. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. And he slides it quickly to Giroux. Along the half wall with the puck. Right in the slot. One-timer. Standing tall with the save. Kasha's moving the puck through his own zone. Moves it around along the half wall. Huge steal in his own end. Picks it up, and they turn on the pressure. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Takes the pass. Quick feed down low. And now he moves it quickly to Gudis. Takes the feed. Burns brings it in. And that's broken up with a stick in front. On the attack along the boards. Oh, that's tremendous poise in the defensive end to break up the pass. Bergeron's going to play it against the half wall. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Uses the boards with the bank pass. Team Canada's got the puck now. Hall's got it into offensive territory. Strong defensive effort. Slides the puck to Kasha. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Tosses it on to Bergeron. Stamkos has the puck against the half wall. Sends the pass down low. Back to the point it goes. From one point man to another. Moves the puck. Nice pass. Quick pass to Stamkos. Big time defensive play. Trying to gain a step. He's in all alone. Stones him on the breakaway.
Oh, what another look at that. Oh, yeah, here it is. Oh, yeah, good work, guys. Good work, Brannigan. Getting this thing right. What a stop by the goaltender.
More than half the frame has been played here. The next goal could be a big one as we are tied. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Verona. Just misses.
He's got to do something a little better than that. Just can't finish it from there.
Wonder if that gives him a nightmare later. Nice poke check inside the attacking zone. Czech Republic's got... He's got a little jump. He's in all alone. No, broken up from behind. Directs it on over to McKinnon. And now he moves it to Getzlaf. Shoots it. A rocker off the blocker.
Save is good. Better yet, that rebound doesn't stay in front of the net. It's over the safety in the corner.
Dished on over to Doughty. McKinnon's got it against the boards. And he slides it quickly to Getzlaf. And now it's over to Doughty. Too many bodies in the way. Blast from the blue line. Oh, comes up with a stop. Knocked away. Laying the body. Grabs the puck behind the net.
You put this kind of pressure on, eventually they can't chase you anymore. Now he's got room to carry the puck.
Blocked in traffic. Takes the feed. Now over to Verona. Here's a chance. Here's the pass. Puck picked up by Hurdle. Comes up with the stop.
Somehow the shooter got loose in the slot, but the goaltender's equal to the task. That's a good save.
Doughty's stick handling in his own zone. Now a quick pass to Tavares. With possession along the wall. Hammers it on net. Makes the save and putting out the fire in front. Shot, and that one's stopped. Scores! And he puts his team in front.
James, this game looked really comfortable as a tie-in. Now they're ahead. They've got to continue to push. Get to the net. That's where the goals are. The rebound sits there, and he puts it away.
Team Czech Republic's breathing a bit easier now here, coming up with a big goal in this third period.
Their bench was pretty excited when that goal went into the net. Now they'll want to continue to be aggressive and don't let the opponent start to dictate the pace.
From the left side, takes it at center.
By number 43.
Receives the pass.
Time of the goal, 16 minutes, 48 seconds.
Works it across to Giroux. Oh, and he tracks it perfectly in the offensive end. And that shot gets caught in traffic. Here's a chance right in the slot. Battling for the puck, but still hangs on. Hammers one at the net. Bar out. And now he tries to get it across to Frolik. Giroux's got it on the offensive end. Here he is, wristed on net. He scores! And how about that to even things up here late in the game?
Well, they just stayed at it, James. I don't know if there's anything particularly beautiful about the play, but it doesn't even matter. You keep plugging away and look for the tying goal. Not close up the wickets, Tendy. That thing's right through your legs. That's a pretty good shot. Goalies hate getting beat through the 5-hole.
Canada's goal has tied things up late in this third period.
Two ways to go about this, James. You attack and try and win it now, or you protect the point by getting it to overtime.
Goal scored by number 97, Connor McDavid.
Fires it into the offensive zone. Czech Republic's got it from behind the net.
11 seconds.
Takes it across the blue line. He almost lost it for a second there, but regains control of the puck. Makes the save.
Certain saves are more difficult than others. This one right from the slot is turned aside.
Here's a blast. How do you miss that, Ray?
I don't know, but we all do. You're right in the scoring zone, and you don't even test the goalie.
Less than 60 seconds left here in the final frame. And he takes a shot. Stopped by the goaltender. Sends the pass over. Shot blocked in front. And now it's grabbed by Bergeron. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Feeds the puck to Ben. Moves the puck inside the offensive zone. Marchand's got control of the puck in the corner. Oh, and another big stop. Well, the officials have tried to keep things in line, and yet another penalty called here. Marchand's going to the box for tripping. Played with fire, he got burned, Ray.
He's digging around for the puck, and sometimes you just get caught. This time the player goes down, and he's got to go to the box.
What a chance as the power play unit goes back to work. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. And now he angles it across to Subban. And manages to clear the zone. From his own end, he picks up the puck. Here's a rocket of a shot. Denies him on the play. Still nothing solved as the third period comes to an end. We've got overtime looming.
Automobile-related pollution is on the increase worldwide. Do your part and take public transit to and from the game.
Ray and I will take a quick breather with OT coming up next. Anticipation ramping up in this barn. You can just feel it right now. Moment of truth for both sides. Sudden death, overtime. Let's get it on. Moves it to Kempney. And the goaltender gets to the bench for the extra attacker. And a penalty is coming up as the play is whistled dead here. The call is hoofing on the play.
This is a penalty of bad positioning. You reach out to try and slow the guy down, you're going to get called almost every time.
Czech Republic's got a 5-on-3, and the clock's their BFF here.
Well, they forced them into another penalty, James, and the fact of the matter is you can't go below 3 skaters anyway, so I don't know how concerned they are about taking another penalty.
Team Czech Republic's gained possession along the boards. Pasternak's carrying it ahead. Pasternak's got it in the offensive zone. And it's a quick pass to Voracek. Big-time stop. And a solid job tying up his opponent. Fires it, makes the save. A big face-off here inside the offensive end. has won the draw. Moves it quickly over to Palat. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Gets it out of his own end. Grabs the puck and moves on out here with this man advantage. Sends it over to Palat. Moves the puck along the half wall. Winds up, lets it go. Great save by the goaltender on that one. A critical draw here. Good job tangling up his opponent here. And manages to clear the zone. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Pass back to the point. Opportunities to win it here in OT don't get much better than that, and they blow it on the man advantage.
Sometimes you miss a power play and you shrug your shoulders and go back to the bench. This feels like a pretty heavy miss.
Saka's won it in their own end. Quick feed to Verana. Verana's got it across the line. Along the half wall with the puck. Slides the puck over. Makes the stop with the blocker. That goes wide. Team Canada's got a hold of it against the wall. Weber's got the puck through the neutral zone. Settles things down and gets game on his stick. And he denies him with a monstrous save here in overtime. Here's a chance, just wide. Canada's got the puck along the boards. Over the line they come. Czech Republic's got possession here in the neutral zone. Shot off a stick. Team Canada's looking to break out of their own end. They've got numbers. Sends a pass over. Here's a short pass to Doughty. Stones him with the blocker.
Oh, there's another good scoring chance turned away, this time with the glove. What a nice stop.
This one's still up for grabs in the final minute of sudden death. Scooped up along the wall by Pietrangelo and makes the save.
Yeah, he got out tight to him, James. There's nowhere for that puck to go.
Shimmick's got the puck. Good defensive stop with the poke check. Just wide. Puck leaves the zone, forcing a mass exodus. Canada's got a hold of it along the wall. Puts it up front, and that one's broken up. Team Canada's got control of it now here in the offensive end. And he comes up with it. There's another stop.
Shabbat's got to know right before he takes this hit that he's going to get run over.
Getzlaf's won the draw here in the offensive zone. Moves right to the middle. Quick pass to Subban. He scores! There it is! There it is! The overtime winner! A big overtime win. Did you ever have an OT winner?
Yeah, I had a couple of them. They're fun. I'll tell you, you know that you've ended it all, and when the guys come to pile on you, you can see how happy they are. They want to go home, too.
And that's all she wrote on this one for Ray Ferraro. My name is James Cybulski. We'll see you next time here on EA Sports.
Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.